Do your homework. Write your name.
Hold up, she's taking.
Okay, what's next?
A.
Okay, let me see you write the A. Okay, what comes next?
2 R's.
Okay, let me see how it looks. Awesome. What comes next?
E.
Let me see how the E looks. And what's next? Awesome! High five. What did you just write?
My name.
Good job. You're so smart for 3.